So I think obviously what we say to our volunteers and to ourselves especially first is the intention. So the intention of why you're doing good, because that's the main thing. So even if it's giving one morsel of food, even though it's one morsel, if you really have a good intention, that can weigh heavily on the scale. And if you give everything a shop, but the intention is bad, like for publicity, to make your business grow, for example, then that could be the deed can be kind of reduced.
Sure.
So I think we obviously tell our people, so firstly, we're looking at intention. We say, like, we want to be able to present something to Allah Azza wa Jal, to say this is what I did at this time of calamity. And obviously, as I said before, we're not trying to tell people to put themselves at risk. There's many different ways that they can help. Whether it's bringing items here to the base, and we can kind of organize it into the packs. And as we know in Ramadan especially, if people are breaking their fast with the food, then this is a barakah, or increases it. So I would say tell people to really take the opportunity now. People usually say, I'll do it later, I'll do it kind of then. And I think this kind of is just a procrastination kind of thing. But obviously I understand people have different circumstances and things like that.
Sure.
But definitely everyone can do a little bit
to
help each other.
And I was telling this brother earlier on, and you know, if you're one of those people that think to yourself, I want to do something. Obviously, there's so many things that you can do. Just even by sitting at home, there's places you can donate to. If you have an idea, share the idea with other people. There might be people sitting at home that their light bulb hasn't switched on yet, for example, that people haven't been exposed to that kind of good deed or awareness. Some people may have been busy. Like I personally know a lot of stockbrokers that have been so busy in their life that running after office, running after money, and suddenly this situation has happened. They're like sitting there thinking, well, what can I do now? And they want to play a part, but how do they do that? Because they haven't been in that environment where they've been with brothers or they've been with outsiders to say, I want to play a part. So they're looking up stuff online saying, I want to donate here. And there are people close to home, you know, and I don't know if you agree with this, that, you know, we always think about, yes, there are countries that are going through even more hardship on a daily basis, not just coronavirus. They're going through this on a daily basis throughout. Like we listen to the news every single day thinking, what's going to be tomorrow? There are people watching the news on a daily basis thinking, when's the next bomb going to land here? When's the next famine going to happen here? You know? And these are the things, a reminder for us that what we're going through in this few weeks, people have been going through many centuries, right? And it's a reminder. Everything is a reminder. Reminder to myself, reminder to yourself, reminder to the people at home, reminder to people all over the world that this could be the only opportunity. We're talking about Ramadan. We're talking about Ramadan. Ramadan is how many days away? A few days away. Are we going to get to it? Could this be the last video we make? Who knows? So maybe you can take this opportunity just to wake up and say, you know what, I want to make a difference. Even if it means that, forget about doing things that you plan later on, do things now. So charity is one of the pillars of Islam. First thing is follow the other pillars as well, but also build those relationships with the people that you've broken relationships with, because this could be our last opportunity. You know, we always hear people like, this person was a good guy, this person was a good lady, right? But did we get to know them? Did we get to know them? Could we have had that tomorrow's opportunity to say, brother, you know what, I'm sorry for what I've done or how I've been like, you know, and we need to take this opportunity. But again, I don't want to make this a massive long video about how we should and shouldn't. This is just a quick reminder. Just want to say, brother, thank you very much, Jazakallah khair, for what you're doing. And inshallah, I'll put some links again at the bottom of the video. Brother's got an Instagram page as well. What was your Instagram page called?
Co.operate19. And then you can find all of our information and everything there as well. And I think there's a website link as well, so you can go through there and you can donate through there.
Sure.
Or the Muntada page. So both of them will get through to us, and we can obviously get the items and everything.
Definitely. Thank you very much, and see you guys soon.